So let's see today's lovely whole wheat roti recipe. So here in a bowl, I've taken 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. To that, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, some salt to taste, 3 teaspoons of yogurt, and a little bit of water, about 6 to 7 tablespoons, to make a nice, soft, smooth dough. So now you're going to knead this dough, adding a little water at a time, till you get a lovely, super soft consistency. And then you're going to drizzle a few drops of oil and again knead the dough. And then we're going to cover and keep this dough aside after we kneaded it really well for at least an hour. So just fold it up like this, tuck it in like this, and then just cover and set it aside for at least an hour. Now after an hour, again just knead the dough and you will see that it has become really super soft and really easy to work with. Now you can keep a pan for heating up on a low to medium flame like you would for a regular roti or chapati. Dust your surface with a little bit of whole wheat flour and take a large lime-sized ball of the dough. And you're going to roll this out to a little bit of a thicker kind of a roll, not as fine as you would with a chapati or a puri, but a little bit thicker. So say to about an inch thickness. And then you're just going to brush a little bit of water, very little water, but evenly brush the water all over the roti. And now we're going to put this on the pan with the moist part facing down. That is the part which you brushed it with water, that is going to be facing down. Just evenly let it stick to the pan. And once you see it it begins to fluff up a little bit, just turn it over. Now increase your flame to high and just cook it. You will see that you have these small bubble kind of, it starts to bubble up immediately. So roast it evenly, see that there's no raw part of it, but that the roti is nicely evenly roasted on a high flame. And then you're just going to cook it on the other side too for about half a minute or so, and then just loosen out the edges and you will see how nice and roasted it is on the other side. Now just roast it for a little while on the other side too, directly on the pan, and now you're going to just take it out onto the pan, onto a plate. Now you're just going to apply a little bit of butter. You can apply butter or even ghee if you want. And then I like to sprinkle it with a little finely chopped garlic and finely chopped coriander. And that's it, guys. Your whole wheat roti is all ready to enjoy with any of your favorite dishes. So I hope you liked today's recipe. I'll catch you soon. This is Akshata signing off. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.